As expected, their happiness turned into grief. Not only the marriage was cancelled, the bride's father became a history. Everyone loved him, so this affected them all. Not to mention he is the only teacher of the village. After that, according to their culture, if a marriage is cancelled by the bride or the broom or the bride family will pay money for forgiveness. In this case, not only the mother lost her husband and daughter, she have to pay a large amount of money for the broom family. The school became shut down. After that, we see the bride mother in church, and she find her daughter's friend. It happens at least 5 years later. She already have a daughter. After that, the bride friend asked the bride mother for forgiveness. Out of nowhere, the little girl said, "Forgive my mother." And the bride mother asks the little girl what her name is. She told her Nana, and Nana was the name of the bride. This reminded her own daughter, and the bride mother tells her that she haven't done anything wrong. The bride friend was extremely sick, so the bride mother asks her to give her child until she gets better. But the bride friend doesn't want to give her child. After that, we see the bride uncle going somewhere, and he was getting bullied by children. These people see marriage as a big deal. When someone in family gets married, but if the marriage is cancelled, it's like making millions of dollars and losing it. The family name have been destroyed. After that, we see the bride mother in church and find Nana, the bride friend's daughter. The bride mother is extremely good person. She loves children, especially this one. She reminds her daughter. She asks her where her mother is. The little girl replies she is sick. After that, we see uncle talking to a priest about a land that they rent. It, it turns out after the bride's father died, they rent his land with agreement, and the person who rents the land doesn't respect the agreement, but the uncle doesn't want to fire him yet. After that, we see the bride mother with the little girl in the graveyard. The little girl so much. The bride mother forgets her grief just by talking to this little girl. The bride friend was extremely sick. She eventually died. Now the little girl have nowhere to go. But the good news is the bride mother already see her like her own child. She want to raise her, but the uncle doesn't want the child. She reminds him the bad time. Brother and sister start fighting